Connect the RFID punch card to the device until the red light turns on and the beep sound sounds. Select the card at random and check in. When we hear a beep, it means the check-in is successful. After successfully checking in, log into your WhatsApp account. Enter the Statistics module. Select Driver Check-in, enter the connected device number, and view the check-in details. Unknown driver means that this card has not yet been bound to the device in the platform. After obtaining the card number, we can add driver information and bind the card number in the Driver Management module. Add a single driver. Add drivers in batches. After successfully obtaining the card number, we can bind the card to a specific device by sending instructions via SMS or the platform. When we use the bound card to check in, the check-in record will be displayed on the platform. At this time, unknown driver will no longer be displayed. Instead, it displays the driver name we set. Click Export to download, print the punch-in record.